Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and welcome to my channel Technical Spark. In our WSUS series, today we are going to learn WSUS reporting. Friends, in our previous episodes, we have learned how to configure WSUS as well as how to enroll your systems into the WSUS with the help of Active Directory and patches deployment on your client PC, or you can say manage your PC. If in case you haven't saw this video, then check out the link in the description for complete WSUS series. So friends, in this video we are basically going to check out how we can generate reports on WSUS series, because management is a different part and reporting is a different part, and I believe by now you are definitely managing all the WSUS related tasks by your own with the help of previous videos. Now let's check out WSUS reporting part, how we can generate PDF reports and download onto your system. But before we start, one small intro video. Welcome back guys. Now let's very much open our WSUS application. Let's expand the WSUS. In the left, go to the reports. Now friends, if I click on any of the tab, then as you can see right now it's not working. Let me click on Computer Status Summary. It's giving the one error that Microsoft Report Viewer 2012 redistributable is required, and without this our WSUS reporting will not work. So let's download that first. Click on this link, it will take you to the browser, and then scroll all the way down and click on download. My download has been started. The setup is very small, it's hardly 7.3 MB. Let's open the folder. Okay, here it is downloaded. Right click and choose install. But let me tell you guys, there's a one warning here. What it says, please close the console before installing this package. So we have to close this WSUS application. Application is closed. Let me close the other unwanted things like my browser, and then click on next. Accept the license and agreement. Again next. Install, and your installation is begun. Within a few seconds my installation is completed. Now click on finish, and let's launch our WSUS application again and check out whether our reporting part is working or not. Click on Update Status Summary. Perfect guys. Now we are in Updates reports for WSUS. Let's run this report. Report is generated. So as you could see in the update report status, what is showing, my updates are approved to install only for the group that is called unassigned computers and not for all computers, because my all the PCs is a part of unassigned computers group. That's why it's showing this information. So information is correct. There's a one more. The update is needed by one computer, and there are total 3 computers which is added in this WSUS, which is managed by this WSUS server, out of which two PCs are already up to date and one computer is needed on update. Let me show you guys. If I go to the WSUS, and here you will get the same information. Update needed by computer 1 and up to date is 2. So this particular report is providing the correct information. Let's go to the next page, server information, which is I don't require. So my friends, this is how you can run the report. If you want to save this, then simply save it to Excel, PDF or Word. Let's save in the Word format. Documents, instead of that let's save into the desktop and save. What are the options we have available here? Then this classification, include computer from these tags. So if you want, you can filter your reports as per your requirement. Okay, so accordingly it will show the information. Now let me close this. Let's check out the report which is generated on PDF. Let's open this into the browser. It's perfectly fine. Whatever the information we require is getting into the one single page. Let's close this. Similar way, you can generate different report. Let me generate one computer detail report, and then what are the thing? It's selected. It's by default selected all computers as well as unassigned computers. That is fine. I'll click on run. Okay. So what are the updates available? Out of which one update has to be installed in one of the machine, and rest of the updates are on up to date for your all servers, or let's say all machines in our environment. Let's close this. So friends, please go through all the options, report options which is available here, and make use of this. Additionally, if I go to the option, then I have one email notification option available here. If you click on that, then here you can specify your SMTP, which means email servers, and then provide the credentials. If it required your login information, then provide that as well. And once it is done, click on test. Once you receive a test message, then you can consider that your email server has been successfully configured. Then if you want, whenever the new updates are available with your WSUS after synchronization, then a notification can be triggered. You just have to enable this and provide your email address. You can provide your individual email address as well as the distro list or group email ID. If in case you don't have a group email ID, then you can add multiple email ID here, separating by comma. Once you are done, configure the timing by when you require this report. You can schedule daily, weekly. So these both options are available, as well as the language. So mine is English, so I'm okay with it. Once you are configured everything, click on apply and OK, and you are done with your email notification. So guys, this is the things which we have available with our reports. Additionally, if you go to the computers, then you can click on any computer which is available here and you can generate the status report of that particular machine. It's very easy. So as I can see, my system is completely up to date and there is no more updates are required. So if anyone asks you whether any particular machine is 100% patched or not, then you can share this particular report with your seniors to let them know that the server is completely 100% up to date. So these are the many options which you can utilize after configuring or let's say after installing that particular patch. The patch name is Report Viewer. This is a free utility, no license or required. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope now you have learned how to utilize the reporting feature available with WSUS. I know this is not in-depth report, but yeah, with this free tool, that many of the reports you are getting. If you found this video useful, then please hit on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. And if in case if you still have any question queries, then please feel free to let me know in the comment box below. I'll definitely try to answer all of your queries. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing videos. Till then, bye bye.